Hi guys! Today I'm gonna do a $30 session. I have the new ticket here in California, the Set for Life, and one ticket of instant prize crossword. It's $20 ticket. So it's $30 session today. I have ticket number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this is ticket number 23, my CC NorCal. Book number 9, and this one is book number 4. Okay, let's try this new one. Okay, hold on. Wish me luck, guys. And I'm gonna use our friend Scratchtastic Scratcher, his new coin. I think he still have. Get one now, guys. Good luck always. Believe the jackpot is out there. I believe. Yes. Let's go. Let's get the jackpot. 21, 9, Fancy Nancy, 34. 27, 15, 35, 12, 14, 31, 7, 23, CC NorCal, 11, The Gambler, 26, not a winning ticket. Ticket 1. Let's go with ticket number 2. 13, 11, 16. 13 is Viper 1 Scratcher. 11, The Gambler. 16, Mary Scratch. Rising Scratch. 33, CC Julia. 32. Someone's 32. 23, CC NorCal. 25, SoCal. 28. Someone's 28. 7. Pretty Witty and Risky. DK Scratcher. 21. Time to scratch. 35. 14. We got 13. 29. Brother Willie. Scratch to win. Not a winning ticket. Ticket number 3. Come on, ticket. 15, winning numbers 33, CC Julia, 16, Rise and Scratch Mary, 30, 27, 31, 9, Fancy Nancy, 14, we got 16, 29, Brother Willie, 13, 21, 28, and my 8, and LB Uso and Peggy Q. Not a win. Ticket number 4, 28, 13, Viper 1 Scratcher, 35, Scratch with Pam. We got 34, 7, DK Scratcher and Pretty Witty, 16, Mary, 24, my bestie M2M, 27, we got 28, a 10. Oh yes, there you go. 35, 29, you get 28, my 8 and LB Uso and Peggy Q, The Gambler. So hold on, 35, yeah. Oh my gosh, 20. Whoa. Oh man, 35. Wow, thank you, California. Look at that. My goodness. 20. And we our session is $30. Yahoo! Thank you, California. I love California. I love you. Okay, last ticket, number 5. Thank you, Scratchtastic, for the assist. 25, SoCal, Scratcher, 32. Who's 32? Nobody. 30. 11, The Gambler. 21, 7, DK and Pretty. 29, Brother Willie. 10. 26, we get 25. 15, 33, get 32, CC Julia, 33, 23, CC Norcal. Woo! We got $20 there. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's continue our winning. Let's try this. I haven't played this in a while, you know. Scratch the letters here. Alright. I'm gonna use Gumball B slots and more pen. Thank you, CC. Okay, let's go with the bonus here. Must. Do we have M? Okay, M, U, S, T. There's no S, T. No S. Refund. R. No E. Glued, no E. Glue. No E. Okay. No E. Exact. Variable. Bar. You have the B. No B. Break. Undergo. No E. No E. No E. Theory, no E. Oh, sorry. Depot, no E. System, no E. June. Pursue, no E. What else? Taxi, do we have T? No T, right? Taxi. Ask. A. No S. Trivia. We don't have the T. Am I right? Yeah. Dim. D-I-M. Okay. First word. And then ax. No A. No S. Document. No E. Disco. D-I. We don't have the S. Struggle, no S. Car. We have the C. A-R, do it. Yes, we have A-R. No C. Unit. We don't have the T. Drum. D-R-U. D-R-U-M. Okay, second word. Okay. No E-hen. No T. What else? Two words only. What's the multiplier here? 2x. Okay, let's go with the second puzzle. Sponge. We don't have the S. Rope. R-O-P. No E. Vary. V-A-R. Appetite. Naughty. Dream. Naughty. Determine. One. No E. Move. Terrible. Perform. No E. Robot. No T. Joy. J. No Y. Nab. N. A. No B. Ruin. RUIN. Is there a chance? Not sure. At least 3 words, right? No E. No E. No T. Is that it, right? Yeah. R. P-A-R. Second word. Just 2 words. I think so. What's the multiplier? Ooh, 50x. Well, let's try the fast spot. Whoa. 1 point. Well, anyway, we got $20. We just lost $10 because this is $30 session. Yahoo! Nice session. Yeah. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy watching my video. We won $20 out of 30. And this is $30 session. We just lost $10. And thank you for the assist, Scratchtastic Scratcher. And he still have a coin. If you want, email him. Shoot him an email and, you know, he will send one for you or 2 or more. It's a cool coin. Thank you so much for the assist. I'm gonna put his channel on my description. Thank you guys and good luck also to your ticket. Love you all. Bye.